guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. According to local news outlet The Press on Wednesday, the case to default investment the do big and institution investor target with managing retirement asset in Canada experimentally France-making profit of Quibble, worth of almost the entry of its million in first to treble cryptocurrency under Celsius network. The move comes just 10 months after the CDPQ and growth acute firm risk cap made a joint investment of million into Celsius at the valuation of $3 billion at the time Celsius bottom after the emphasis $25 billion in total assets and the cumulative invest paid to depositors. However, as an unregulated and controlled entity, a depositor's assets are not protected in the event of loss, nor is their firm subjected to any restriction on the use of leverage during the onset of this year's crypto winter. The sudden unveiling price of Bitcoin and other digital asset lets a gap in Celsius not asset. As a result, suspended withdrawals on the account of nearly 1 million customers in Jan 8 offers that the less and Celsius represent only a negligible fraction of this CDPQ portfolio by June 30. The GDPQ managed a combined billion in total assets for about this decreasing by 7% in the past 6 months. The entity and currents evaluating its legal option against Celsius, although it has not shared any detail according to court filings. Celsius is scheduled to run out of money by October. The United States government censorship of the sure code that makes up the tornado cash privacy protocol made the shocking, but it's not surprising America has been tightening ostensibly to cut down on bad behaviors, but also to project power abroad. Economy sensation like the ones unforget by the ability Norman Office and forex asset control as a powerful weapon. The agency website states that it forecasts economy and trade sensitive visit and US forex police and national security goals. It abets with the fight drug deals, terrorists and other threats to the national security, foreign policy or economy of the United States. Scare staff, particularly when unforgotten by the issuer of the global reserve currency. But therein lies the rub because the more the US weaponizes access to the dollar, the greater the incentive for every other country to find an alternative. One likely winner from this dynamic is Bitcoin. To see why, we need to study the theater of money. Like the US dollar have to in turn transfer mechanic large payments can only be made through the banking system, and the bank need government character to operate this symbolic relationship enables government to not only control the essence of their money, but also access to it. For the issue of reserve currency, monetary controlship become a powerful weapon, arguably as destructive as bombs and bullets. Related tornado has found that devil can aspect regulation with Bitcoin is difficult because it has its own concept precision payment system. Anyone and make payment to anyone else with or without the involvement of a licensed intermediary governments can still wield power over individual exchange custodians or miners, but they can't stop the protocol or the community that runs it. Bitcoin is also a political and wise that failed currencies can never be along with every stretch sentence. Reagan, the US has recently taken the drastic step of freezing the foreign exchange reserves of Russia and Afghanistan, regardless of one opinion on the legality of such as they derive home that point that dollar reserves are only useful so long as their owner stay on America's good side. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.